Imagine JavaScript as a bustling city where data structures stand tall like purpose-built buildings, each one serving a distinct role. So let's embark on an adventure through this city. First up, arrays. Like a city skyline filled with different buildings like skyscrapers, apartments, bungalows. An array is a list that stores multiple values in a single variable. Each building in our city skyline has its address, and so does each value in our array. We access them by their index, starting from 0. So at index 0, we have skyscrapers. At 1, we have apartments, and so on. Just as you count buildings, you can find the length of an array. The .length property tells you how many items are in your array. Arrays are versatile and can also store other data types such as integers, decimals, booleans, and more. Now on to objects. They are like blueprints of a buildings. The name, type of building, and the number of floors. All this information can be stored in an object. Just as you'd look at the blueprint to understand the type of a building, you access the properties of an object using dot notation. So building.type gives us a skyscraper. And just as you can add more floors to a skyscraper, you can change the values of an object's properties. So if we want to add more floors, we simply assign a new value. Now, what if we want to gather all the buildings and give our city a name? We can put arrays inside an object. This is like naming our city code city and listing all its buildings. Just as you can find a specific building in the city, you can access items inside an array within an object. So city.buildings2 shows us the bungalow in code city. And there you go, a grand tour through the city of arrays and objects. Understanding these structures is like knowing your way around the city. You'll be a JavaScript city planner in no time.